In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard in Smartsheet. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign in so you land on the home page. From here, look for the option to start a new project, program, or process. This is your entry point into creating new items, and it puts you in the right place to build a dashboard from scratch. Next, you'll be asked to choose a new workspace starting point. Think of this as choosing where your dashboard and related assets will live. Pick the workspace that makes sense for your team or create within a space where you already store your sheets and reports. Keeping everything together will make linking data much easier later. Now, select Dashboard as the thing you want to create. This tells Smartsheet you're building a visual page for stakeholders, not a sheet or a report. When you're ready, click Get Started. Smartsheet will open a blank dashboard canvas where you can add widgets and arrange them to tell your data story. On the dashboard, begin by adding a title widget. Give the dashboard a clear, concise name so viewers immediately understand the purpose. If you're working across multiple initiatives, consider adding a brief subtitle for context. Add a timeline widget to highlight key dates, phases, or milestones. This is especially helpful for project status dashboards because it orients your audience around what's coming next. If you already have reports built from your sheets, bring them in with the report widget. This lets you display filtered task lists, risks, or any curated view you've prepared. A good tip is to finalize your report filters first so the dashboard always shows exactly what stakeholders need. Use the image widget to add your logo or a simple banner. That little bit of branding improves clarity and professionalism, especially when sharing with leadership. For KPIs, add metric widgets to surface numbers like total tasks, percent complete, or budget used. If comparisons help tell the story, add a chart widget and connect it to sheet or report data. Choose the chart type that best matches your message, like bar for category comparisons or line for trends over time. Shortcuts are great for quick navigation. Add a shortcut widget to link viewers to key sheets, reports, or external resources. Finally, use rich text to provide context, definitions, or callouts. Brief explanations reduce confusion and cut down on follow-up questions. Add these widgets based on the report or outcome you want to showcase in the dashboard. Arrange, resize, and align them so the most important information is obvious at a glance. When you're done, save your dashboard and you're ready to share a clear, actionable view of your work.